guys, Tommy here from Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning. This video is for the people that are feeling underappreciated, not making enough money, hopeless, stressed out. This is for you. What is it that you're not happy about? What is it that that's making you stressed out and feeling hopeless? Is it the fact that you're working for a job for $12 an hour? Every 6 months you might get a review and they might give you 15 cents, 20 cents. Maybe you're making $25 an hour. Okay, every year or so you might get $1. Okay, but you're still not making ends meet. You're still stressed out, and it just never feels like it's enough. It's because it really isn't. You know, I mean, for some people, they're out there working and they got their careers, doctors, lawyers, people that just knew what they wanted to do from the beginning, and they went forth, you know, fashion designers, whatever, and they're doing what they love to do. Well, this video is not for you. This is for the hopeless. I'm sorry to say, I felt that way. I know when I say hopeless, I sincerely mean hopeless. I mean, you're not feeling that you can get out of the hole you're in. You don't have any confidence. Everything seems like it's too hard. It's too many walls blocking you. Well, I know that mindset, and I know that mindset can be changed. Alright, so only until I started working for myself, I thought to myself, I wasted a whole lot of years. And I know a lot of people out there that are in the same situation as me now, operating their own business. They're feeling the same way too. They wasted a whole lot of years. Now, for the people that went to college and knew what they were going to do from an early age, right out of high school, like my daughter, for instance, she knew she wanted to be a fashion designer. She went straight to college, moved to LA. She's doing what she loves to do, and hey. So I'm not talking to those type of people. I'm talking to the type of people like me that that worked for somebody for, 35 years and really unappreciated. Say in and out of jobs, you get your first review and it's 20 cents. So if you're making $13 an hour and they give you 20 cents a year, come on now. Nobody should sit and be content in that situation, unless you're content with that situation. Okay, most people aren't. So if you want to get into business for yourself and thinking about doing something, do something on the side. Start a side hustle. And I do suggest the cleaning industry. Now we know now that the cleaning industry is an essential type business. Yes, people get a little scared at the beginning, but as time goes by, they realize they need to keep clean, because clean is healthy. All right, maintenance, yard maintenance, house cleaning, window washing. Okay, all these things without specialized equipment can pay you between $40 to $70 an hour. Okay. So if you're a window washer and you're charging $5 a window and you got 10 windows, okay, it takes you an hour to do those windows, that's $50 an hour. Will you ever make $50 an hour where you work? No, granted, you might not be working a whole 8 hours a day, okay, to start off with. Maybe on the weekend you book 2 jobs, okay, all right, so you made $100. It took you 2 hours. Okay, so maybe you make $400 a week where you're at right now. Okay, so think about how many hours you have to work making $50 an hour. Okay, and the rest of that time you can use that time to hunt down work. Go to door, give free estimates. Craigslist. I really recommend free estimates, going door to door. Wear a nice collared shirt, a folder with your prizes on it, just walk up to, knock on the door. Hi, that's what I say. Hi, I'm Tommy. I'm from Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning. I'm just walking around giving free estimates. Would you like an estimate? It's either yes or no. And usually within an hour, I got 2 jobs out of that. Okay, so no matter what your trade is, whether it's mowing lawns, doing yard work, cleaning houses, window washing, like I said. But if you want to get into the other bracket of the industry, it's like carpet cleaning. Carpet cleaning, you need specialty tools. That's why the pay is a little bit more, between $70 and $120 an hour or more. Okay, if you want to be a carpet cleaner, you don't need one of these big old truck mounts. Okay, like I have in my van here to start out. All you need is about $1,000. Literally, you can start with $500, and I do have videos on that. $500 starting your own carpet cleaning business. I also have one for $1,000 starting your own carpet cleaning business. $2,000. Just kind of depends on what your finances are. And watch those videos. I'll put a link down below. And think about it, guys. I literally work 2 to 4 hours a day. A lot of times just 2, and I'm making twice to 3 times what I used to make. Working $25 an hour, 40 hours a week for another person. So 2 days before he was gonna let me go, that's when he let me know he was gonna let me go. So actually putting all your stakes into somebody else employing you, it's not a good feeling. And once you actually get out there and start working for yourself and get the ball rolling, don't rush it. Okay, do it as a side hustle. All right, start as a side hustle. Work your 40 hours on the weekend, book a job. Work all week to book 1 job for the weekend. Turn that customer into a client to where they will hire you next time. That's how you build your business. Okay, that's the first thing you need to do. From there on out, you can start building your website on the side and stuff like that. I have other videos. Go ahead and go to my channel, scroll down. A bunch of videos on starting your own business, on either minimal incomes or just not knowing what to do to build your foundation. So I hope you got a little bit out of this. I will be making more videos like this, kind of touching on specific topics to help you get the ball rolling. And I'm going to try to make this more of a general kind of video series here as far as the service industry and not just carpet cleaning. So you can apply these techniques to whatever it is you're doing, whether it's car detailing, window washing, house cleaning, yard maintenance, okay, or carpet cleaning. Okay, so thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know that I should keep making these videos, and we'll see you in the next video.